To transfer money and add Payee in the application, you have to open the HDFC application first. Complete the login process with entering the PIN or just scanning your fingerprint. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. So you will be able to check out your balance, some account details. If you want to check out more details related to your account, you have to click on view all option. You do get multiple options on the home screen itself. Now we are going to simply see how can we add Payee option first. So you can see there is an option of add Payee over here. So you have to click on that particular option. Now on the next page, you will get three options over here. Under individual. So there are two sections, individual and merchant. So under individual, you will get three sections, which is bank account, Indian credit card, and cardless cash. So we are going to add using bank account details. So if you are doing frequent transaction with your friend's account and each and every time you are entering the bank account details manually, so that is an headache. So you can simply add a bank account and you have to just enter the details for the one time, and from the next time you can directly select the account and you can transfer the money. So adding a Payee or beneficiary account is always helpful. After selecting the bank, all you have to do is you have to select the category over here. So you have to click that. So you can see there are two options. One is HDFC bank account or another one is non-HDFC bank account. So if your friend's account is in HDFC bank only, then you can select that account, that option, or else if your friend's account is in another bank, so you have to select the second option, which is non-HDFC bank account. After selecting that, it will ask you to enter the details manually, which is you have to enter the name, you have to enter the account number of your friend, you have to re-enter the account number, and you have to select the account type, IFSC code, and then you have to click on continue, which is at the bottom. So I'll fill up the details quickly and I will show you. So now you can see I have entered all the details over here properly, and once it is done, click on continue. So now here you can see it will ask you to confirm the details once again, and then you have to simply select confirm option. Also, there is one thing you have to keep in mind. When you add a new Payee, it will take 30 minutes of time to authenticate it completely. So you won't be able to immediately send the money to the recently added Payee. You have to wait for 30 minutes, and then you will once it is enabled, the status is enabled, then you can transfer the money to that particular account. So that is the one thing you have to keep in mind. So you have to click on confirm option over here. It will send an OTP on your mobile number, so you have to click on continue. And once you receive the OTP, you have to enter it, and then you can just simply, so now you can see the OTP has been received and it is automatically detected. You have to click on continue, and you will get an option of the Payee has been added successfully. So all you have to do is you have to click on done option. So now we are directly on the money transfer page. As you can see, automatically we are on this page, but let's go back on the menu system on the home. Just want to guide you through one thing. Before that, if you are haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's continue to the current video. So if you're adding Payee in HDFC bank for the first time, or if you're transferring the money to the other account for the first time, it will ask you to complete the third party payment procedure and all. So in that, all you have to do is you have to just enter your ATM card details, and then you have to activate it. Then you will be able to use this both. And I have already explained that feature or that procedure in my Hindi channel. So you can check out House of Apps Hindi, so that you will be able to check out the details. So once it is completed, it won't, that process is not, coming for the second time. So I won't be able to show you on this screen, but you can check out House of Apps Hindi, so that you will be able to check out the procedure. So we have added the Payee. Now let's move to money transfer. You have to click on money transfer. On the next page, you have to select the Payee name, or you can directly select the Payee from here. So we'll select it. Now currently you can see there are two Payee, which is my own account, my other two accounts. So Kotak Mahindra Bank account is the recent account which I have added, but I have already added IndusInd Bank account. So we will be able to transfer on that particular account. If I show you how is the status, so you can see pending for authorization. So that is the difference between, and you don't get any transfer option here. So if you go back and if I click on IndusInd Bank account, now you can see the status is enabled. So you have to wait for 30 minutes when you add a recent Payee. So yeah, let's click on transfer. On the next page, all you have to do is you have to enter the amount, you have to select the date, you can select the transfer mode, which is IMPS and NEFT. You have to enter the remark, and then you have to click on continue to transfer the amount. So let's do that very quickly. Let's enter 1,000 rupees for testing purpose. We'll add test over here. Once each and every details is been filled up, click on continue. On the next page, you have to tick mark, or you have to just select I accept the terms and conditions, and you have to confirm the procedure. So yeah, confirm it. Now to complete the transaction, it will ask you to enter OTP. So you can receive OTP either on your mobile number or on your email ID. So I'm going to select mobile number over here. Click on continue. Wait for the OTP. Now as soon as the OTP is detected, click on continue to complete the transaction. So now you can see IMPS transaction which we have done is successfully completed. Now you can check out the basic details, like from which account the amount is debited and to which account the amount is transferred. You can see the date, you can see the mode of payment, which is IMPS. If you want to share that receipt with your friend, you can just click on share option, or else you can download it and you can share it. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow if you want to add a Payee in HDFC application, and as well as how can you transfer the money to that beneficiary or Payee account. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you all in the next one. Thank you.